Delta Airlines began as a small regional carrier with humble origins rooted in the agricultural heartland of the United States. The company's story started in 1924, when a crop dusting operation called Huff Daland Dusters was founded in Macon, Georgia. The company's initial mission was simple yet vital: to protect cotton fields from insect infestations by spraying pesticides from the air. This innovative approach to farming marked one of the earliest uses of aircraft for commercial purposes. In 1928, a group of investors purchased Huff Daland Dusters and renamed it Delta Air Service, a nod to the Mississippi Delta region where the company was based. Delta Air Service soon shifted focus from crop dusting to passenger and mail transport, capitalizing on the expanding demand for reliable air travel. Their first scheduled passenger flight took place on June 17, 1929, flying from Dallas, Texas, to Jackson, Mississippi, with a stop in Shreveport, Louisiana. The company was still small, operating only a handful of aircraft, but it quickly earned a reputation for dependable service. Throughout the 1930s, Delta grew steadily by expanding its route network across the southern United States. The company weathered the challenges of the Great Depression by focusing on efficiency and customer satisfaction, slowly transforming from a modest regional operator into a recognized airline. Technological advances in aviation also played a critical role, as Delta incorporated more modern aircraft capable of longer distances and greater passenger comfort. The post-World War II era brought a wave of transformation to Delta. With the surplus of trained pilots and military aircraft, commercial aviation experienced a boom. Delta embraced this opportunity, investing in new fleets and expanding its routes nationally and internationally. The introduction of the Douglas DC-3 in the 1940s gave Delta the capacity to serve more passengers over longer distances, solidifying its place in the growing airline industry. During the 1950s and 1960s, Delta continued to innovate. It became one of the first airlines to introduce jet aircraft into its fleet, starting with the Convair 880 in 1961. Jets revolutionized air travel with faster speeds and smoother flights, attracting more customers. Delta also began offering improved in-flight services, focusing on passenger comfort and reliability. The airline expanded its presence beyond the United States, establishing routes to Canada, the Caribbean, and Europe. In 1972, Delta made a significant move by merging with Northeast Airlines, expanding its footprint into the northeastern United States. This merger allowed Delta to tap into major hubs like Boston and New York, further strengthening its position as a national carrier. The airline's headquarters moved from Monroe, Louisiana, to Atlanta, Georgia, a city that would become synonymous with Delta and its global operations. The deregulation of the airline industry in 1978 introduced new challenges and opportunities. Delta navigated this era by focusing on strategic growth, acquiring smaller airlines, and improving operational efficiency. The company invested heavily in technology, pioneering computerized reservation systems and customer service innovations that enhanced the travel experience. Throughout the 1990s and 2000s, Delta expanded through acquisitions and alliances. Notably, its acquisition of Western Airlines in 1987 and later Northwest Airlines in 2008 significantly increased its route network and market share, making Delta one of the largest airlines in the world. Strategic partnerships with other international carriers also enabled Delta to offer extensive global connectivity. Despite setbacks such as economic recessions, rising fuel costs, and competition from low-cost carriers, Delta demonstrated resilience. It filed for bankruptcy protection in 2005 but emerged stronger by restructuring operations, cutting costs, and renewing its focus on customer service. Investments in newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft and enhanced in-flight amenities helped the airline regain profitability. Today, Delta Airlines stands as a major global airline with an extensive network serving hundreds of destinations worldwide. Its story is one of innovation, adaptation, and growth, from humble beginnings as a crop dusting service to becoming a symbol of modern air travel. Through nearly a century of change, Delta's commitment to connecting people and places has remained its guiding force, embodying the spirit of progress in the skies.